Take a ride in the 2018 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, luggage rack. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, lane departure warning, cruise control, power outlet, cargo cover, cargo net, cargo mat, floor mats. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile.